Hey guys, it's Christian Singh here back from C&H Smallings again for another review. This review I got right now deals with ammunition. It's ammunition for your AK, SKS, whatever gun that takes the 7.6 by 39 caliber. I'm giving a review of the newly acquired it's Red Army Standard ammunition. It's imported by Century International Arms, and I'm giving you basically a review of it here. I bought some recently. I bought a couple of these range packs, as they call them on here, and the ammunition seems to be shooting pretty good for me over here. I took up the range and I compared it to the other ammunition I have, which is your typical Golden Tiger or stuff like that out in the market. This is probably I probably say this is probably the best accurate ammunition, I should say, on the market therefore that I use for my guns out there for. Then followed by Wolf and Brown Bear, Silver Bear, Golden Bear, whatever you have out there for that. And I'll show you what these things look like. Your range pack includes you get six of these boxes right here, and one of these packs right here. You see right here. This is the range pack. That's how big it is. It's a little bit smaller than a piece of paper out there. Basically, you get six of these rectangular shaped packs in there. It says right on the top on here, lead core, non-corrosive, steel case, 30 cartridges, made in Romania, and they're full metal jacket, 123 grain. And I'll open up here to show you what they look like actually inside the box here. The good thing about these ones are they're lacquer coated on here, so basically the entire casing has lacquer on here, plus you have lacquer on the bullet, or it meets the case right there as well too, plus you have lacquer on the back of the primer as well too, so it's similar to the Golden Tiger ammunition. We open up and show you what it looks like here. Give you a comparison. Here's your Golden Tiger. They have blue sealant around the lip on her for these ones, and the Red Army Standard has it looks like a greenish color on here, so you can see the difference right there between one. Let me see, holding to the side here differently, so I can just show you what it looks like from the side. Because there you go. How about that? So there's the two differences. This is the Golden Tiger, full metal jacket, bow tail, and this is the Red Army Standard right here. So they basically look the same, similar things on here, everything else, and get the same sealant on the back right here as well too. And basically it functions, it cycles fine on my gun too, and as I said before, it has sealant around the bullet lip where it mates to the case in there for it, so it'll basically keep out any water, debris, stuff like that if you're shooting in a humid or a wet environment out there for that. And it's a good price for what you get for these packs. Like I said before, they don't come in a standard 20 pack as most ammunition does for your AK out there. You know, the typical 20 round packs, like a little box like this. These come in the 30 round pack, so you have a difference. You have a size difference between these two, and they consider the range pack, as I said before, for 108 rounds. So if you go to the range, or you're up at your cabin, or you're down at your lake, river, whatever you're doing, you're plinking away out there for that. So it'll basically last you probably a good half an hour to an hour, depending on how many times you blow off your rounds. So they're for that. And the ammunition seems to be relatively clean. It's non-corrosive, as it's stated in front of the lettering on here. It says it's non-corrosive, and it's full metal jacket, lead core. So if your range does not allow steel casing, you probably won't be able to use it there. So they do have a Red Army Standard Elite version. It's brass cased, and I think the bullet's copper jacket on her, so it won't attract any magnets. So that's a little bit more higher end than this stuff. This is basically your bulk surplus import grade ammunition for your gun. I'd say on a scale of 1 to 10, accuracy wise, 10 being the budget, or I should say mid-range Golden Tiger ammunition. This is probably about a 9 right here. This is probably about a 7 or 8 right here for that. It's a little bit more dirty than your typical ammunition. On a scale of 1 to 10 for your ammunition dirtiness, either for like your pistons, stuff like that, I'd say Golden Tiger and Golden Bear are pretty dirty out there for it, because I shot maybe 5, 10, 15 rounds of Golden Tiger and a Golden Bear through my AK, and my pistol was pretty damn black on there for that. Sorry about that, but it was pretty dark. And this stuff's, I'd say, right below that. And the stuff that I shot pretty clean was sorry to say it, but it's Wolf Poly Performance, or the Full Metal Jacket Wolf out there right now in the market. I shot me 30-40 rounds through one magazine, and my piston on my AK was relatively clean on her, so I don't know if they changed the formula for the powder on it, but it seemed to be shooting a lot more cleaner than the other ammunition that's currently in the market. I don't know if it's a 2014 equivalent, or they just changed the formula for the powder, but my Wolf ammunition was shooting a lot more cleaner than the other ammunition I have. So, because I got, like I said before, I got about 3 or 4 different types. I got this, I got the Golden Tiger, Brown Bear, Golden Bear, Wolf, and I got some of the higher end PMC and PPU stuff out there for it. But I'd say the PPU is probably about the best, cleanest burning out there that I've seen. It's brass cased, and it's a non-magnetic bullet, so that's probably about the top of the line right there for in terms of cleanness. And I'd say it's right below in accuracy terms of the Full Metal Jacket bullet for the Golden Tiger. So that's the review for the like I said before, Red Army standard ammunition. You get your nice big range pack. These range packs retail for about, I think, about $55-$60 on a couple websites. I think the one I got mine was sgammo.com, and it was about, I think, about $54-$55 for the whole box. Plus, if you're buying in bulk, I recommend buying in bulk, because your shipping in hand is going to be probably $15-$20 either for it. So if you want to get another low budget ammunition for your gun to chew up right here, just get some of this. It's Red Army standard ammunition. It's imported by Century International Arms. They have a website. It's centuryarms.com/Red Army. It has all the details and the pertinent information about the manufacturer, plus the bullet specs and stuff like that for it as well too. So if anybody has any questions, comments, whatnot about something like that, just give me a call here. You can know my phone number, or leave me a detailed message on my page, and I'll try to answer any questions you may have as soon as possible. You can get back on my account and check it out. I'll see you guys.